You have mentioned a couple of times about adding a video to your store. How do you do? Like, do you create something AI
Uh,
or
Add a video to your store?
yeah?
I think Theo, have you done that? Yeah.
Yeah, so pretty much I literally just obviously I used a Google image of like a businesswoman and then had ChatGPT change the hair.
Which was Monday. That usually was my lowest day out of the week. That day I went to like 57 sales.
I think it just makes sense though, because it's like eBay pushes the account harder because it's like how many people really have their full bio and videos and
But he
I
also
have
tells
mine
you
8 out of 8.
he also tells you that like if you go into your
Leon.
Gotcha.
You have mentioned a couple of times about adding a video to your store. How do you do? Like, do you create something AI or
Add a video to your store?
yeah?
I think Theo, have you done that? Yeah.
Yeah, so pretty much I literally just obviously I used a Google image of like a businesswoman and then had ChatGPT change the hair, change everything on the, like the facial features a little bit, the hair, add earrings, a necklace, put a laptop in the background, put her at a cafe. And then I screenshotted obviously that picture and then threw that back into ChatGPT. It was either ChatGPT or one of the other AI creation tools. And I pretty much just said, give me, you know, I threw some, I think I even took a few screenshots of like some of the products that I have. And I was like, hold up these products in there in her hand and make it seem like it's like a legit eBay store. Um, and yeah, I posted it to my store. And ever since I posted that little video, it definitely adds a lot more sales and just like buyer trust, less returns. I've seen a big difference since I added the video.
I love that.
Bozeman, were you around when I put the like in a very earlier stage, I put
You put the
the
banner, right?
no, the intro video. I have an intro video on my store. It literally just pretty much tell you what to like what to expect. But I use
Hmm.
AI to create the video. It's a 50, it's a minute, it's a minute video. It literally tell you what to expect. And they have all my policies and stuff like that. And it tells them, it tells people to come on Sunday to meant for exclusive deals and stuff like that. Now I remember after I post that video, same thing. So my sales just jumped. During that
Hmm.
time, I was averaging about like 25 to 30 sales a day. And then I post a video on a Friday. They approved it like by end of Saturday. And then that
Hmm.
Sunday, I had I jumped to like I think it was 43 sales, and then the following day, which was Monday, that usually was my lowest day out of the week. That day I went to like 57 sales.
I think it just makes sense though, because it's like eBay pushes the account harder because it's like how many people really have their full bio and videos and
But he
I
also
have
tells you
mine
that
8 out of 8.
like if you go into your that little door that take you to your account, I mean that take you
Hmm.
to your, it'll tell you that with a video, you should get 33% more visibility. You
Right.
know,
It's like, how did you create the AI video? Because I'm like not tech savvy.
well,
No, I'm not tech savvy either.
I use
I'm the worst.
I use
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT to create me a prompt, right? I revise the prompt with ChatGPT multiple times, and then I take that prompt and I dump it in Sora 2, and it just generate the video for me.
What was the name of the website you put it in?
Sora.
Sora is, you can actually find Sora inside of ChatGPT as well, because they no, there was a time there were two different places, but now you can go inside of your ChatGPT and find it.
That's SORO.
SORA.
Yeah,
Yep.
Sora.
Just to
Sora.
say, I didn't actually use Sora. I didn't use any AI. I went on to Vista Create. I made like a little like animated banner thing. It's quite easy to do if you want to do that instead. I just have like a little guy like going across a cart and then like the my name pops up like the name of the shop pops up. So if you don't want to mess with AI, you can just go onto Vista Create, and they have some good video templates you can use.
You guys are so cool. So
Yeah.
freaking cool.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So Jennifer, yeah, ChatGPT prompt, you revise it. For like video creation, I've experimented with like JSON files. I don't know if like you can just tell ChatGPT to put it in JSON files. Sometimes some people say that helps make things look more realistic, but even just a text prompt, I think that works fine. And you can put that in Sora, Vista Create, it seems, or Sora, or any sort of video creation platform, and make it from there. That's so cool.
Now I don't know if I'm gonna send my video in here so people can just
Wow.
look at it if they want to create something that looks like that.
That's too much. You gotta charge everyone $5 for that one.
Well, it's just to copy, right? Just to see.
Yeah. I
to
mean,
see what
I'd love to see it, man.
Yeah, so I drop it in the chat so
Oh
people could
yeah,
actually.
let me download that. Yeah. Thank you, Caleb.
Yes.
Absolute freaking goat.
Yeah, and as soon, like I said, when you go to the edit your store section on eBay, and where it says like 8 out of 8 complete or 5 out of 8 or
Right.
3, I filled everything out. That's the first thing I do on all my accounts because
Yeah.
it makes you look super, super legit.
I think the only thing I'm missing is the video.
Yeah. So I think I hope we've been able to give clarity on how to do that, or it was Theo and Caleb because they've actually done it.
Well, I'll mess with it this week and we'll see what happens. Report
Awesome.
back.
Let us know. Yeah, that should be awesome.
Yeah,
I'm
I think
excited to see.
it makes a big difference. It definitely did. For at least for me, it made a big difference. So
Nice.
it's a good experiment. You should try it.
Awesome. Awesome, Jennifer. Well, do you have any other like questions?
Nope, maybe.
Awesome. Well, great to see you. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Hello?